Well, guys, I hope you'll just be enjoying your good health. So today, our topic that we are most requested, and people will be asked me about what acne. Okay, so forget about this. So you know what? That's be a happy Sunday. I hope you'll just be enjoying your good health. So I wish you'll just be enjoying your good health. So eat healthy, be healthy, and live longer. Okay, so today's our topic will be about acne. So you know what, how to get rid of them. So today I'm just be explain to you how to get rid of acne in this video. So I'm just be on this YouTube channel make a video about skincare ingredients. So if you're interested in this line, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new updates. Okay, so we'll just be, you know what, have to start with topic. Oh, sorry. Now, so basically, acne. So acne, you know what, is a bigger problem than injury. So basically acne will be formed, you know what, on your different areas, so like your forehead, so like your, you know what, on this, on cheeks, on eyes. So that's where choices of acne so very he'll be formed. But the point is how to control on this. So today I'm just be telling to you some ingredients, so which will you, one you'll just be uses this regular, so you will just be completely get rid of it. So the first one ingredient I'm just be recommended to you, what is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid, that's where, you know what, every dermatologist's favorite ingredient to get rid of acne, and every dermatologist will be added in his or her skincare salicylic acid. Basically salicylic acid, that's where exfoliant, chemical exfoliant, so which will be, you know what, reduce your you know what, top layer, which will be exfoliate your top layer of a, you know what, of a face, and then this will be reduce your, you know, blackheads, whitehead, and acne and a pimple. So you know what, that's why a lot of a fucking of people, and my cousins will be, you know, doing a joke with me. They will be turn off light, forget about this. So salicylic acid, basically, which will be a chemical exfoliant, you'll just also see there will be a lot of in cosmetic grade, in pharmacy, in drugstore skincare. They will be contain 2% salicylic acid. Basically, this will be exfoliant, reducer acne, blackheads, whitehead, open pores. So I am just we also you know what, make a video on Pond's clay mineral. This will contain niacinamide, lactic acid, salicylic acid. So I'm just with a big fan of this stuff. For me, that's we are so well work. Salicylic acid is the best option when you will just be suffer from acne. So, but when you will just be facing a cyst type acne, so I'm just be recommended to retinoid. Retinoid will be a best for every type of acne, like cyst acne, mild acne, and hormonal acne, and severe acne. So that's we, retinoid will be suited to every skin. The first one, and another third one ingredient I am just be recommended to you, benzol peroxide. Benzol peroxide, that's why so well work, you know what, for your acne. It will be kill your bacteria, viruses, and bacteria, and it will be kill your acne germs, bacteria, and also reduce your acne. So I'm just be recommended to you, you know what, that's the panoxyl. In salicylic acid, I am just be recommended to the CeraVe cleanser, and retinoid I am just be recommended to you retinol based product, and you'll just be also use prescription based vitamin A tretinoin cream. And third one, benzol peroxide face wash. I am just be recommended to you panoxyl face wash, because that's be so much amazing work on your skin. That's be maximum 16 to 17. I have no idea. That's the maximum, you know what, 16 to $70 panoxyl face. So these three ingredients, when you'll just be starting in your skincare, I am just be 100% sure you'll just be give fucking off and get rid. Sorry, you'll just be get rid of this fucking off acne. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new updates. Okay, so have a nice day. You'll just be get all notification about my